world-class manufacturer and supplier of strapping and strapping machinery, is proud to bring you the SM65, a state-of-the-art arch strapper designed for a broad range of high-speed strapping applications. The SM65 utilizes a proven, sophisticated strapping head system that reduces parts by 30% versus traditional strapping machines. Power is supplied by reliable, brushless DC motors. The result is a strapper that is extremely fast, safe, consistent, and reliable. The SM65 utilizes a range of polypropylene strapping from 5mm and 1/4 inch up to 12mm and 1/2 inch. Low-cost polypropylene plus tremendous reliability make the SM65 inexpensive to own and operate. With strapping speeds up to 65 straps per minute, the SM65 is one of the fastest strappers in the industry and ideal for your most demanding high-speed applications. One of the unique features of the SM65 is the patented waist-high feeding system. To load the SM65, first, turn the machine on and press the start button. Open the side door and position the spring-loaded dispenser to waist height. The side platen of the dispenser is equipped with a quick release that is adjustable for different coil sizes and makes coil changes quick and easy. Place the coil on the dispenser, but do not cut the bands until the coil is in place. After placing the coil on the dispenser, cut the bands and then reposition the dispenser. Release the electronic brake, thread the strap through the rollers as indicated. At the second roller, lift the strap release lever and insert 1 inch of strap into the auto loading system. Close the door and press the start button, and the strap loads automatically. The SM65 is equipped with a movable LCD display that will indicate ready when the heater is at the proper temperature for operation. The operator-friendly LCD display can also be used to adjust time sequences on the SM65 and to program automatic strapping options. When the SM65 is ready, it can be activated by any one of 3 standard activation modes. Simply press the start button, depress the foot bar, or activate automatically using the standard photocell. Using the LCD display, the photocell can be set for multiple configurations or to strap continuously. The SM65 has several unique features that will give you years of maintenance-free strapping. A highly reliable one-piece arch constructed from a special composite material assures you of consistently applied parallel straps and minimal dusting. All SM65 models are equipped with anti-jamming technology, which corrects misstraps without operator assistance. If the package is misaligned or pulled out of the strapper prematurely, the SM65 will simply recycle and is immediately ready for the next strap. To assure operator safety, external power is stepped down to 24 volts of direct current on all internal motors. Except for routine cleaning, the SM65 requires minimal maintenance. To clean the unit, open the hinge top and clean the strapping head and tracks with compressed air. For a thorough cleaning, you can access the main strap track in seconds without using tools. The versatile SM65 is available in several arch sizes and strap widths. All PAC SM65s are supported by the best warranties in the industry, prompt replacement parts availability, and an expansive network of PAC factory-trained service technicians. The PAC Strapping Products SM65, it's the right choice for all your strapping needs. The value choice.